Doggy, doggy, doggy.
Pinalayo mo lalo eh.
Not like that.
You can, we will go there.
Wait.
When we finish filming this, we go there. At the other side.
What is this place called?
This is Emilio Aguinaldo Shrine.
Bikini?
Ha? Emilio Aguinaldo Shrine.
Cavite.
Where the independence of Philippines proclaimed here.
All became mama taking selfie.